So in this video I'm gonna show you Bluehost WordPress tutorial for beginners, guys. It's really easy. If you check the description, so this is Bluehost. But guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online brand. On my page you could find out all about SEO, all about the best themes, the best plugins, the best WordPress hosting. Everything's over here, and today I'm going to tell you about Bluehost. So guys, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. So let's begin, guys. So now we are going to just discuss about the Bluehost WordPress tutorial. So guys, Bluehost is one of the best web hosting. I always recommend it. They give you a free domain, a free SSL, one-click WordPress installation, 24/7 support. And if you sign up, there's a link down below in my description. If you sign up with me, you get a 70% discount, guys. So let's begin. All you have to do is get started. Click over here. And also one more thing I want to tell you, they have a 30-day money back guarantee. So for anything, if you just hate it, you can get your money back. But trust me, for me, I started using this and my life became really simple, and creating website became really easy. So let's begin. Just get started. See, at $295, I always use recommended. I'm a web designer. I create websites for professionals and professional businesses, so I always select this one. Sorry guys, my washing machine is making a weird noise if you could hear, but anyways, let's get back to the video. I always choose the recommended because a lot of features are there. Okay, you get one free office, site backup, unlimited websites, but I'm not going to explain you everything. So just select this, put in your new domain. It's a free domain for 1 year, but I already have a domain. I'm just going to do this thing. I'll create my domain later. Fill in your information. If you're very lazy, just sign in with Google, so everything would be filled. I always select 12 months, because then if you're not happy, you can just get the money back. Fill in your information. Make sure I do this. Okay, 70% discount, link in description. Once you pay your payment, okay, you'll get an email confirmation. Just click on login. So I've already purchased it. Okay, and Bluehost. So once you go back to your dashboard, I'm going to explain you the whole dashboard of Bluehost. So this is your home. It tells you what you could do, but let's get to the real juice. So these are my websites. A lot of websites I've created, and creating a website is really easy. Create site, put in your site name. So Bluehost demo, best web hosting. Okay, this is your site name, site tagline. Next, don't want to install anything. I'm just going to put the directory Bluehost. Select your domain from here. If you have a lot of domains, you can select, but for me, I just have one domain. And guys, you can create a website in 3 seconds. So let's go. 1, count with me, guys. 1, 2, and 3. So guys, within 3 seconds, you have created your first WordPress website. Congratulations. Tap on your back. Okay, pat on your back, in fact. Log into WordPress. Okay, you don't even have to remember your WordPress login. Just from the Bluehost dashboard, you could log into your WordPress. And then once you're in your dashboard, everything's over here, Bluehost. So once I'm in my Bluehost, you could see. So if I open my website right now in incognito, it will show me a coming soon page. So this is like, it's free. So it's really good that if I'm designing a website for my client, they get a coming soon page until and unless they approve my designs. And then once it's done, I can just click on coming soon active and just launch the site. So I'll just launch the site right now, so I could just see my website. Okay, so this is my website right now. They have a Bluehost plugin as well, really good. You can sell product, navigation menu, customize premium themes. Okay, page, cache, everything's there. But the best thing I like about it is tagging. So basically, if you're a designer, so you tend to mess up with the CSS, the style, and everything. So you can use this tagging website. So basically, this is like a first server, so where you can make the changes, and something goes wrong, it won't affect your real website. Performance, if you click on performance, cache is always there. Okay, you can create a CDN, You can talk to them. I have a CDN as well, which is content delivery network, which makes sure that your website loads really fast. So I'm just gonna click over there. It's gonna choose my website, but I'm not gonna go and make the settings right now. But again, marketplace, you can buy. So see, beta, you can just start, you can switch it on, improve efficiency. A lot of things are there. This is the Bluehost dashboard inside WordPress. Okay, you can buy themes from here, but I don't buy themes from here. I create free themes from Elementor and Divi theme. A lot of videos are on my page, free website with Elementor, so you could just check the video. What else I could show you is manage. So you could, there's Jetpack plugin. You can set up Jetpack from here. A lot of things are there, and that's it, guys. You can manage your sites, you can email, find a domain. It's a lot of things over here, and this is it, guys. Bluehost is one of the best web hosting. As you could see, I created a website in 3 seconds, guys. 3 seconds. That's it, guys. Hope you really like the video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing me. I need subscribers. I have just 14 subscribers. But anyways, guys, I told you about the bonus. So guys, if there's a link in the description. So I've created a WordPress free course, a step-by-step guide on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. I tell you which is the best plugins for SEO, for hosting, for security, and I also tell you how you can make money selling websites to other businesses. Okay, so imagine, just join the free course. I'm going to explain you everything, and thanks for watching. Yavar Khan signing off.